Hey there, food lovers! Today, we created the most wicked Boston cream pie ever. This ain't your grandma's recipe, unless your grandma's a total rock star baker. This recipe is special. It's got that perfect balance of fluffy cake, dreamy cream, and rich chocolate. Plus, it's easy peasy. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. Before we start, let's round up our ingredients. This is the foundation of our delicious creation, so let's ensure we have everything we need. Don't worry, this ain't no grocery scavenger hunt. We've kept the list simple and straightforward so that you won't be running around the store like a headless chicken. We're keeping it simple and delicious. There is no need for fancy, hard-to-find items. These are just good, honest ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. For the cake, you'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, the good stuff. This is the backbone of our cake, giving it structure and body. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder for that airy fluffiness. This will help our cake rise beautifully, making it light and tender. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch. Salt enhances all the other flavors, making everything taste better. 1/2 cup unsalted butter softened. Room temp is key. Softened butter will cream nicely with the sugar, creating a smooth, fluffy batter. 1 cup of granulated sugar. Sweet dreams are made of this. Sugar not only sweetens the cake, but also helps to tenderize it. 2 large eggs. Let them come to room temperature too. Room temperature eggs will blend more easily into the batter, ensuring a smooth, even texture. 3/4 cup whole milk. None of that skim stuff here. Whole milk adds richness and moisture to our cake. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the secret weapon. Vanilla adds a wonderful depth of flavor, making our cake taste amazing. For the cream filling, you'll need 1.5 cups of whole milk, creamy goodness. This will be the base of our luscious cream filling. 1/3 cup granulated sugar, sweetening the deal. Sugar will sweeten our cream filling, making it irresistible. 1/4 cup of cornstarch, the magic thickener. Cornstarch will thicken our cream filling, giving it a perfect silky texture. 1/4 teaspoon salt, pinch. Just a little salt balances the sweetness and enhances the flavors. 2 large egg yolks, separated carefully. Egg yolks will add richness and help thicken our cream filling. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold and cubed. Butter will add a lovely richness and smoothness to our filling. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, flavor explosion. Vanilla will give our cream filling a wonderful aromatic flavor. For the chocolate glaze, you'll need 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, the good stuff. These will melt into a rich, glossy glaze. 1/4 cup of heavy cream, rich and dreamy. Heavy cream will make our glaze smooth and luscious. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter for that silky smooth finish. Butter will give our glaze a beautiful shine and smooth texture. Got everything? Awesome. Let's move on to the fun part. We're all set to start baking and creating something truly delicious. Get ready to have some fun in the kitchen. First up, the cake. The foundation of any grand celebration, right? Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a Tuesday, cake makes everything better. Don't worry, it's going to be a piece of cake. Seriously, even if you're a beginner, this recipe is foolproof. Get it? Okay, we'll stop with the dad jokes. But really, baking can be fun and easy if you follow these steps. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for even baking. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. This prevents sticking. Trust us, you don't want to skip this step. Nobody wants a sad, stuck cake. It can ruin the whole experience. Mix the flour, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. These are your dry ingredients. This is our dry team. They play a crucial role in the cake's texture and structure. Next, in a larger bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This step is key to a tender cake. This is where those arm muscles come in handy. Get ready for a mini workout. Or you can use a stand mixer if you're feeling fancy. It makes the job a lot easier. Now, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring they are well incorporated. Then stir in the vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to your cake. We're adding flavor bursts like nobody's business. Vanilla is just the beginning. Let's gradually add the dry and wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. This helps to keep the batter smooth. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the cake dense. Lumpy batter is happy batter. Those lumps will disappear as the cake bakes, leaving you with a light and fluffy texture. Finally, pour the batter into your prepared pan. Smooth the top with a spatula to ensure even baking. Place it in the oven and bake for about 30-35 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Voila! Your cake is ready to be decorated and enjoyed. Let it cool completely before frosting. Patience is key here. Enjoy your delicious homemade cake. It's time for the star of the show, the creamy filling. This is the heart and soul of our dessert, the element that brings everything together in a symphony of flavors and textures. This is where things get seriously delicious. The creamy filling is what makes every bite a moment of pure bliss. First, whisk together the milk, sugar, cornstarch, and salt in a medium saucepan. These ingredients are the foundation of our creamy masterpiece. Cook over medium heat, whisking constantly, until the mixture thickens and bubbles. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a luscious, velvety cream. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't stop whisking. The constant motion ensures a smooth texture, free of any unwanted lumps. We don't want any lumps in our luscious cream. A smooth, creamy consistency is key to achieving that perfect melt-in-your-mouth experience. Next, whisk together the egg yolks in a small bowl. These yolks add richness and depth to our filling, making it even more indulgent. Temper the yolks by gradually whisking in about half a cup of the hot milk mixture. This step is crucial to prevent the yolks from cooking too quickly and scrambling. This prevents the yolks from scrambling. We want a smooth, cohesive mixture that will blend seamlessly with the rest of our ingredients. We want smooth, not scrambled. We aim for a silky texture, ensuring that every spoonful is a delight. Pour the tempered yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining hot milk mixture. This step brings everything together, creating a unified, creamy filling. Cook for 1 minute longer, whisking constantly. This final cooking step ensures that the filling reaches the perfect consistency, thick and luscious. Remove from heat and stir in the butter and vanilla extract until smooth and combined. The butter adds richness, while the vanilla infuses the filling with a warm, aromatic flavor. Finally, pour the cream filling into a bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap, pressing the plastic directly onto the surface of the filling to prevent skin from forming, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until completely chilled. Be patient now. This waiting period allows the flavors to meld and the filling to set, resulting in a perfectly creamy, dreamy dessert. Get ready to indulge in the exquisite world of chocolate glamour. No Boston cream pie is complete without that decadent chocolate glaze. Let's get our chocolate on. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water or in the microwave, melt the chocolate chips, heavy cream, and butter together, stirring until smooth and glossy. Chocolate heaven. Remove from heat and set aside to cool slightly. We want it pourable, not scalding hot. See? Easy peasy. Now, for the grand finale. Let's unite our efforts to assemble the stars. It's time to assemble our masterpiece. Get ready for some serious layering action. Once the cake is completely cool, carefully slice it in half horizontally to create 2 even layers. Use a serrated knife for best results. No pressure, but this is where your inner surgeon comes in handy. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread the chilled cream filling evenly over the cake layer. This is where you can get creative with your spreading skills. Gently top with the second cake layer. Now, for the finishing touch. Introducing the tantalizing delight, picture perfect pie. Get ready to indulge in a dessert that's as stunning as it is delicious. Time to make our pie shine. Get ready for some chocolate magic. Slowly pour the cooled chocolate glaze over the top of the cake, letting it drip down the sides for that classic Boston cream pie look. Use an offset spatula to help spread the glaze evenly, if desired. We're going for that perfectly imperfect rustic chic look. Refrigerate the assembled cake for at least 30 minutes to allow the glaze to set completely before slicing and serving. And there you have it, the most wicked, awesome Boston cream pie ever. Never forget, when you share, you show you care. Now that you've baked this masterpiece, it's time to share the love and the pie. Slice it up, grab your forks, and enjoy with your favorite people. Don't forget to snap a pic of your creation and share it with us. Tag us on your social media pics. You can even share in the comments below. We want to see your baking skills. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey today. Remember, baking is all about having fun and creating something delicious. So go forth, bake some pies, and spread the sweetness. Until next time. Happy baking!